Hi families, today I'm going to show you how to log into Miss Donahue's class Teams. I'm going to show you two different ways. This video is how to access our Teams account from a computer or a laptop online. And if you are trying to download the Teams app and log in that way, I will make another video for that. Okay, so we are going to start going to a browser. And you're going to go to cobk12.org. Click on Parents, and then you are going to log into their Office 365 sign-in. All right. Now I am already logged in. You will get a login screen, and you will log in with the information that I shared with you. It should just be their username at students.cobk12.org and their password. So once you log in, you're going to see all of these different programs. Yours might be a little bit different than what mine are. And you're going to look for the one that says Teams. Once you click on Teams, it will continue to have you sign in. But you will now see all of the teams that you are a part of. And for you all, it should just be our class Teams. So let's get this signed up. Over here on this side, you'll see all the different things you can do. You can see the different activity. Oh, bear with me for a second while it logs in. All right, so you can see the activities, you can chat with Miss Donahue, you can look at calendar and teams. So here are the different teams that I'm a part of. You should just see the one that says VAR for Varner, Donahue first. This is our class teams. So you're gonna click on our class teams, and it will open up everything that I will post and that your friends will post also. So up here at the top, there's all of these different options. Right now, I'm only planning on using the posts feature. As you can see, I already sent out a message just saying hello, and then I also posted our class team rules. So parents, if you all will go over these with your students, I do ask that an adult is present with them at all times while they're using this, since it is an online chat feature. It is closed only to students in our class and me, but I did put in there that if there's anything that comes up that I don't deem appropriate, that it will be deleted. So if you all will help me with that. But that is how you log into Teams. Feel free to share. You can share emoji. They have attachments if you want to share a picture or video of what you've been doing, or you can just type and say hi.